ដើម្បីសម្រេចនូវគុណធម៌អញ្ចឹងព្រះយោគីដែលចម្រើនវិបស្សនាមានព្រះអានាបានសតិជាបាតនេះគឺយើងហៅថាសមថយានិកយោគីព្រះយោគីដែលចម្រើនវិបស្សនាមានសមថកម្មដ្ឋានណាមួយជាបាតនៅក្នុងសម័យពុទ្ធកាលអ្នកដែលបានសម្រេចនូវគុណធម៌ជាន់ខ្ពស់ជាច្រើននោះភាគច្រើនគឺជាសមថយានិកយោគី
Nowadays, most of the yogi or teachers sit, they are teaching vipassana meditation as Sutta vipassana way, pure vipassana way. So for those who wish to practice pure vipassana, they wish to be Sutta vipassana yanika, pure vipassana vehicle yogi. Then from which meditation subjects they will have to start to practice? Do you want to know this? Sutta vipassana yaniko pana aya mewa wa samatha yaniko Jatu dhatu odhane wodhana tesan dhatu brikaha mukhana Anyadra mukha wasena Sankhepa dowa vidhara dowa jatu dhatu Sankhepa dowa vidhara dowa Jatu mahabuddha Jatu dhatu odhanam patikkanadi Then Sutta vipassana yanika person also the same like the samatha yanika person. Last night I mentioned the rule for practicing of vipassana. In vipassana meditation, there are only two kammatthana, rupa kammatthana and nama kammatthana. Is it? Rupa kammatthana and nam kammatthana. Only two kammatthana. If they have enough concentration, like anapana jhana concentration, then they have enough concentration. That is why, if they wish to start to practice beginning from nama, it is possible to continue to start to practice beginning from nama for those who have enough concentration. Enough concentration means either upajara